With my patients, I find Ultherapy has revolutionised how we can lift the skin and cause a rejuvenated, refreshed look. Ultherapy uses micro-focused ultrasounds that can cause thermocoagulation points, that can cause lifting, and after one treatment you can get visible results after 12 weeks. There are different transducers, 1.5mm, 3mm and 4.5mm. The great thing about Ultherapy and the selection of those different points are you can decide where you're causing these thermocoagulation reactions. And we know where you cause them and you heat the skin 65 degrees, collagen synthesis will occur and you will get renewal of that area, lifting and tightening of that area. There's multiple indications for Ultherapy. You can use it to lift the eyebrows. You can use it under the chin to lift the chin. And if you find yourself with any fat around here, you can reduce the fat around here. It's called the submental fat. You can use it to lift the jowls. You can use it on your face to cause a lifting and tightening, and you can use it on your neck. Lots of people have such a beneficial effect of Ultherapy. Because it bypasses the skin, you have very little downtime. And when you're having the procedure, you may feel a slight tingling, but often most people feel just a heat sensation, which is actually very relaxing. And so you're back to work straight afterwards, back to your normal activities. So lots of people like having Ultherapy every year just to cause that lifting and tightening to keep them looking as refreshed as possible. At KLNIK, we have a consultation, and then there will be about a week before we can book you in. You'll be lying down in one of our bespoke rooms with music on or the TV on or Netflix, whatever you'd like. You'll be prepared for the procedure and we'll take your makeup off and just clean your face so you're ready. Once the lubrication gel has been placed on the face, we use ultrasound to visualise the different tissues. And the great thing about Ultherapy is you can actually precisely pinpoint exactly where you're going to use that ultrasound. You can treat just above the SMAS in either a 1.5mm, 3mm or 4.5mm depth. That thermocoagulation point will then cause collagen renewal as it will heat the skin to about 65 degrees. Often we use a synergistic action at two different depths that causes increased collagen renewal, increased skin tightening and increased skin lifting. You can use the Ultherapy machine in many different ways. What we do around the cheekbone is we can turn the transducer and provide points of heat around there, so we're sculpting as well as lifting and tightening. So we're stepping outside the normal protocol here to cause a sculpting effect to enhance the cheekbone and enhance the chin. The USP of Ultherapy is the visualization technology, the fact you can see exactly where you're placing this micro-focused ultrasound and you're causing the thermocoagulation point where I bespokely want it. I know I'm getting the collagen synthesis where I feel it's best. With lasers, I can get to about a 1.5mm. With thermage or radiofrequency, I can get to around a 3mm. But with Ultherapy, I can get to 4.5mm. So I get a collagen synthesis just at the right point sometimes and deeper, causing a greater lift. At KLNIK, we have a research group that looks at the best technologies in the world. I wanted an ultrasound technology as I know that microfocus ultrasound will cause renewal, lifting, have an anti-aging effect. And the great thing about it is you're bypassing the skin, the epidermis, and so you're not causing any trauma to there. So people can go back to work straight away afterwards. So there's hardly any downtime with Ultherapy. So that's why I picked Ultherapy.